Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. Today's video is for first LEGO Leaguers that are sending in your videos for your competition. For those of you that might be competing remotely where you're sending in videos and only showing up for the robot game and to do a possible, short project presentation and sending videos in. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to send those videos in for you guys that are coaching, how to do that and be able to get your team ready for competition day. So if you want to see that, stay with me.
Hino, LEGO Robotics.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. I really appreciate that you guys watch my robotics videos. I normally bring you guys videos Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but it is first LEGO League season, so if I ever miss a day, it's because I'm really busy getting our team ready for our competition, okay? Thanks again for watching. Okay guys, so if you're like us, where you're competing and you're sending in videos to give the judges a little bit of prior knowledge about your robot design, about your project presentation or your innovative project, and just an introduction about your team, and they want those videos sent in, what I'm going to do today is just show you a sample video and just take you through the steps of how you would record that, how you would upload that to YouTube, and then how to get that into your dashboard so the judges can see it. So what I want to do today is just start with something simple, just the robot. They call it the robot parade. They want your robot to just travel across the screen, maybe do something cool like a wave or something like that. So what I'm going to do is record that and then show you guys how I will upload that and send that to the judges. So let's go to the Cargo Connect table. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is what you do. You just pick one of your YouTube channels. Oh, sorry, maybe you only have one. But then you're going to come up here and you're going to click on Create. And you're going to click on Upload Videos. And then they're going to let you select your files. So mine is, I saved mine, let's see where I saved mine. Okay, I saved mine in my robotics videos, and then there it is, Robot Parade. And so I'm going to click on that video, and it's going to upload your video. And so the instructions were to put the name of your team, so Robotic Ponies, and we are team 2226. Yeah, that looks right. And this is going to be called the Robot Parade. Okay, so we're going to be just putting that into the title. I don't think you need a description on that one because I already put that in the... You're going to click on Nope, Not Made for Kids, and we're going to click on Next. Nope, nothing there. Nothing there. Okay, so here's the biggie. We are going to make this unlisted. So anyone with the link can watch your video, but we're not making this public. We're just going to be able to give the judges this link here. So that's all you do for that, and then you're going to click Save. And what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and process your video. And then once it's done processing, what we're going to do is we are going to send the judges the link to that video. So let me come on over here and make sure. Okay, so it looks like it's up and running. And this is what you want to see. You want to see that it is unlisted. So what I'm going to do is click on this video so I can get the URL from it. So let's... Okay, so there's the video, and then what I want to do is go up. Sorry guys, I should have made this go a little higher for you guys to see, but I'm going to come up here and highlight. I'm going to highlight the link to this video, And now I'm going to go ahead and show you what the dashboard looks like so you can see where I'm going to paste this. Okay guys, so I'm on my dashboard here for the competition. The competition director should send you this link for this dashboard here. So I just uploaded the Robot Parade video. So I copied and pasted the URL. So I would just paste that right into there. And I would click, that's not the one my team is actually going to use, but then all I would do is click save, and now the judges will have the link to that unlisted video. So they just don't want anybody else to see that video, and they're obviously going to take all of our videos, every team that's competing, and put it into a video compilation. So I would do that for all the other items now. So for robot design, for our innovative project, I'm going to do the same thing. Just going to copy and paste the URL for our YouTube video where it says robot design video, and that should take care of that. So hopefully that was helpful, guys. And then definitely keep in mind the line that they have for your videos. Usually they're telling you it's 10 days before your competition. So just keep in mind of your deadlines to make sure that you get all of your videos submitted before that deadline. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so I know a lot of this is overwhelming. For those of you that are just beginning, another thing that you might like, there's so much to think about, so much to remember. So hopefully this video just helps you get those videos in so that the judges are able to see your team, see what your project and your robot design, just so that when you guys show up on competition day, they're not having to figure all of this out, at that moment. They're just getting a glimpse of what's going on beforehand, just so that the schedule is going to be a little different than it normally looks like. So I'm sure they're wanting to get as much knowledge they can before you guys even show up. So today, hopefully it was informative just to show you guys how to set up your videos, have them as unlisted or not public, and then just being able to upload those so the judges can see it. Okay, guys? Hopefully your season's going good and you're not stressing out too much. Just take it day to day and just one thing after the next, and then don't overwhelm yourself by taking in the whole thing at once. Okay, guys? All right, I'm Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.